everyone. Today I feel delighted starting being a part of this unprecedented for everyone. Such a good session. I want to say something about water. Water is very necessary for in our life. Without water, we can't do anything, and people facing lot of problems. Water means life. Water is transparent. It has no color, no taste, but it's very helpful in our lives. So, guys, it's composed hydrogen and oxygen H2O. So, without water, people face lot of problem, and in summer season, lack of water, people, uh, lot of people die. So, guys, I want to say something. You save water and save life. I do I cook the food. I bath. I wash. Many work lot of work. So I use water. I need water. You think how save the water? If you go to bathroom and you tap, you open the tap. How much water do you use? And after you close the tap, because don't waste the water. If I save water, I save our life. And water is necessary for all living being things, because without water we can't survive our life on the earth, and we can't live on the earth. Three part, 3/4 part water on the earth, and one part of the earth in our earth. Okay, guys. So I want to say you save water, you save life, because water is our life. Thank you very much. How are you today? And what video you want to me? Write the comment box. And thank you so much, guys.